In today's world, you've probably seen Unitree's robots popping up everywhere, from Europe to North and South America, with Africa being the exception. The Unitree G1 humanoid robot has become a global phenomenon, likely holding the largest market share in the humanoid robot industry right now. But how did a Chinese company like Unitree achieve this dominance? The answer lies in an unconventional strategy, targeting the entertainment industry while everyone else was fixated on industrial or home robotics. While competitors raced to build the best factory robots or domestic helpers or say caregiver robots, Unitree saw an untapped opportunity in entertainment, a sector which many dismissed as niche or unprofitable. You know how people are afraid of being replaced by robots in factory jobs, but now Unitree went for a sector where a humanoid robot won't replace anyone. You buy it and it becomes your entertainment toy. This clever pivot meant Unitree faced little resistance from the consumers and also little direct competition from other companies, which in turn has allowed it to deploy its robots early, before they were even ready for the market, and done lots of iterations on them to make them better. The journey began with the H1, an adult-sized humanoid that was impressive but expensive. Recognizing the need for affordability, Unitree shifted focus to a smaller, more accessible model, the G1, priced at just $16,000. Factory price. But after taxes and shipping, buyers often pay over $20,000 through dealers. For those interested in the differences between the base and premium models, we'll leave a link here to a detailed comparison video. Recognizing the demand for more capable versions, Unitree introduced the G1 EDU model, designed specifically for institutions, researchers, and developers. The EDU line itself has at least 3 different tiers, with prices ranging from $40,000 to over $67,000 on the US Robot Shop, depending on the configuration. What makes the EDU model stand out is its support for SDKs, which allows companies or startups to deploy their own AI tools or control systems on the robot. This makes the G1 EDU attractive to AI researchers and robotics developers who don't have the resources to build a humanoid robot from scratch. With a plug-and-play approach, Unitree opened up experimentation and innovation to a much wider user base. The company's overall strategy is simple, yet powerful. It focuses on minimizing component usage, reusing tech across its product lines, and offering modular upgrades. This lean model allows Unitree to scale faster and more cost-effectively than its competitors. One of the key drivers behind Unitree's success is how easy they've made it for anyone to actually get their hands on one of their robots. The buying process is streamlined, the documentation is available, and their global presence makes support more approachable.